Hey everybody, your girl Brittany here with BB's Crafts. Welcome back to my channel. We are on to week 4 of the hashtag 52 projects, and this week is a cute little caddy that you can use on your desk or wherever that you need some more organization. And I don't need it. I love my little mugs that I use on my desk because it adds some little life and love to it. But I did make this for my daughter because I swear to goodness, if she asks me for a pencil one more time when I know there's like 40 million hiding in her room, I'm gonna freak out. So I made this for her. Kept it very simple because, first of all, my daughter is not like super girly, but I mean, she is, but she isn't. So I wanted it to speak to her, and so I used little smiley faces, and then for my scraps, because you know I'm all about no scrap left behind, and I made a rosette with my scoreboard and used my Martha Stewart punch to make the edges pretty. I did a little banner here with her name on it, and then cover the fronts with the black cardstock. I didn't do anything with the back because, again, it's going to my daughter, who will appreciate it, but then again, probably not appreciate it. But I did use this paper pad. This is the one from Paper Studio that they have this year for Valentine's Day. It is love, and I absolutely love this because, well, first of all, X's and O's and hearts to me are not just for Valentine's Day. You can express that in any type of form, any time of year. And but what I really like is that the majority of the papers, except for one of them, I think, they don't have like Happy Valentine's Day on and everything, so I can go ahead and utilize this for other things too. So yeah, make sure you guys check out the 52 weeks of projects. I will have the link to the tutorial down below in the description box. And again, as always guys, I love it when we hang out, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.